Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 4. We are learning Unit 7. Its title is Cultural Festival of Chitral. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today we are going to read and understand the text and we learn to identify facts. Before this in English for grade 3, I have taught you how to skim through graphical features in text. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again, and we are going to extend this practice to identify facts in the text as indicated through these words day, date, place, etc. It means whenever there will be a day, date, place, most likely it can be a fact in the text. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 256. So, whoever disbelieves in Taghut, the rebel, the Satan, and believes in Allah has grasped the most trustworthy handhold with no break in it, and Allah is all hearing and all knowing. Yes, my dear children, but this beautiful verse is telling us one thing: to disbelieve in Taghut and to believe in Allah. It makes you to hold a strong handhold. Means if you disbelieve Taghut and believe in Allah, you are good to go, right? And it's a fact. It's a fact. When we believe in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and we disbelieve every other, whoever, the rebel, the Satan, we disbelieve in that, it means we are connected, we are truly connected with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And my dear children, this is how when we read text and analyze it for different things, okay? So after reading this, we analyzed that believing in Allah and disbelieving in Taghut is a fact which can make us to hold a strong handhold, all right? So this is what we are going to practice today. First, you tell me which local festivals do you like and how many festivals have you seen in your area. Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you have answered these questions. Now it's time to read the text. From the very first sentence I'm going to read. Listen carefully. Be with me, because after me you have to read it, all right? So here we go. Chitral is a beautiful valley far from the busy life of big cities. Its natural beauty charms the visitors. It is not heavily populated. I want you to pause over here and look at the sentence. It is not heavily populated. Tell me, is it a fact or not? Yes, it's a fact, and we have learned that fact is something which is true, which can be proven. So we can prove they are not, like comparative to other cities, its population is low. That's why we can say it is not heavily populated. This is how better while reading, we can extract the facts from the text. Do you understand? So we read it, we find either it's true, either it's provable. Yeah, it's a fact. All right, so it's a fact over here. People are friendly in Chitral. Their way of living is simple. Shandur Polo Festival, which is held in Chitral. Now once again, Shandur Polo Festival held in Chitral. It's mentioning Chitral is a place, and our SLO gave us clue. Whenever there's a place, day or date, it can be a fact. So Shandur Polo Festival held in Chitral, it's a fact because we cannot change it and we can prove it, all right? Is the most famous festival. Now look at this, is the most famous festival in northern areas of Pakistan. The most exciting feature of this festival is the polo tournament. And what is tournament? It's match. When two teams are participating and they keep on, like there is a series of matches, it is called a tournament. It is played in Shandur Polo Ground. Once again, it is played in Shandur Polo Ground. Place is mentioned, so it's a fact. On the top of Shandur Pass in Chitral. This whole statement is a fact. This cultural event marks the annual, and what does annual mean? Occurring once in every year. Something which happens once in a year, once in every year, it is called annual. So this cultural event marks the annual competition between the polo teams of Gilgit-Baltistan and Chitral. The most exciting part, the festival, is the final match between the Gilgit-Baltistan and Chitral teams. Okay, so this is the most exciting, but it's not a fact because it's an opinion. Maybe you find something more exciting, that's why it's not a fact. The final round provides the most colorful show. Fans of both sides travel long distances from the remote parts of Chitral and Gilgit-Baltistan to watch this exciting game. Right? I'm pausing my reading over here. Now it's your time. Read the text again. Pause the video. All of you, teachers kindly make every child to read so that we can work on their pronunciation. So pause the video, read the text again, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with reading and have you read the text carefully? Okay, I'm going to check it through an activity. What the activity is, teacher will divide class in two groups. Each group will underline the fact from the text. And we know a fact is something that is true or something that has occurred, means cannot be changed or has been proven correct. Now, teacher will ask from students of both groups to read aloud the fact and also tell the reason why it's a fact. Okay, so pause the video, enjoy this beautiful activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? I hope you extract the facts and you also told the reason why it's a fact. That's good, wonderful. So it's time for the comprehension. What is a cultural festival and where is Shandur Polo Ground located? What is the rule? First, you will answer these questions orally, then you will write the answers in your notebook. Pause the video, complete this comprehension in your notebook, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. Now it's time for your homework. You will write a short paragraph about Shandur festival in your notebook. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan and PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear children, what you are going to do, you will read this article and you will find out the facts from it. Okay. So what we have learned today, we learned that a fact is something that is true or something that has occurred, cannot be changed or has been proven correct. And we practiced how to identify facts in the text. In this way, we achieved our SLO to identify facts in the text as indicated through these words: day, date, place, etc. Yes, my dear children, are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing. Take very good care of yourself and the people around you. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.